know, I've been getting on with it and not filming it. This is where I've got to. So I have, oh, sorry about that, there is, it's like carnival week here, and the school, which is over there, it holds all the carnival stuff, so they've got funny things going on with their sound system at the moment. It keeps making me jump. Yeah, so I have levelled as best I can this base. And I had to use, I used a hoe just to scrape off, like, because it was kind of lumpy around here, and also it goes a little bit on a slant upwards that way, so I've had to sort of take off the layers and then rake it over this end. You can't see my hand, can you? So that, and then I've sort of put it down as best I can, and I'm in the process of putting down liner, and then on top of the liner we'll go builder's sand, and then we can start bricking round the outside, and yeah, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm quite proud of myself. Let me turn you around and see what I can see. Yep, sunshine, there we go. Oh, now that's really dark. There. Yeah, I'm quite proud of myself. Ooh. I've had to call myself a bricklayer on the end of this. Okay, right, I'm going to get on with it and I'll show you as I go along, just little clips, because I'm sure you don't want to see me like do the whole thing, that would be really boring. So I'll catch you in a bit, guys. What disaster. Oh, I've got blight on my tomatoes. Get around there without touching it. This way. You see that, guys? Light. These two, this one and this one are the worst affected at the moment. I have got it on there. See, on the stems here, and here, this is on the beef steaks, and it looks like here, yeah. So I'm going to have to pick all these tomatoes. I'll have a look at these ones down here. Oh, sorry about the wind. They look alright at the moment. Looking at greenhouse. Poo! Greenhouse ones look alright. I'm not going to touch them. Sad face. I haven't bought anything harvesting stuff with me either today, so I'm just going to fill my carrier bag with tomatoes and then take away the affected plants, and then keep my fingers crossed for the others, really. Oh, what a poo bum. Okay, so I'm going to get on and harvest the tomatoes and sort all that out, and then I'll show you what I've got. Bye. Hello lovelies. Right, so tomato disaster. Well, yeah, it is a bit of a disaster, but on the bright side, I have only needed to pull out one plant, and the rest I've just gone round and taken off the affected areas to try and prolong ripening, growing time. And I will obviously need to check every single day what's occurring with that. So it's not so bad at the moment. But what I did was have a look at my my Sarpomira main crop potatoes. I think what's happening with them is just dieback, to be honest, not actually blight. However, there's a good chance that it's on its way. So, excuse me, I dug up one plant to see what the potatoes were like underneath, and they're huge. I'm so happy. So I've decided that I'm going to just dig up all of the potatoes now, because I don't really need them to get any bigger. And I don't want them to start getting damaged by slugs and things, or blight or whatever. So yeah, I've decided I'm going to dig up all the Sarpomiras, just 2 rows of Sarpomira, and then I will still have my I've got a row of Mozart and 2 rows of whatever they're called that I found in the shed. I don't even know what they are, but they're something that I grew last year. I planted really late, so I've still got those I'll be keeping an eye on, because they're in the sort of blight path, which I say the blight path, it's the wind path really, it's the direction the wind normally blows up here. So yeah, so I am going to get on and dig the Sarpomiras, and I'll show you what I've got when I'm finished. Or I might I'll film digging up a couple of plants and then I'll get on with it. So I'll catch you in a minute, guys. So that's what so that's what I dug up from that one plant there. I haven't actually dug deep, that's just from pulling it up. So as you can see, got some lovely sized potatoes there. So yeah, I'm going to carry on and let's see what we get. potatoes. Look at that, guys. I'm really pleased with these. Here we go, guys. I'm so happy with this harvest. Look at the size. Oh, it's a little bit scabby. Some of them are a little bit scabby, like tended to be the ones that were on the ends. But look at the sizes of them. They're huge. Really good size, and I've got quite a few jackets in here, and jackets are my favourite, so I'm really pleased with that. Unfortunately, I don't have scales to weigh it. Sorry. So yeah, ooh, happy. Makes up for the tomatoes, I think. Yes, I've decided to dig up all these row potatoes as well that are on the new plot, and look what I'm getting. Pretty big. Bit split, but that is good potato. I have no idea what variety they are, but yeah, look. Just digging them out. It's one-handed. Oh, look. Potatoes galore. Well, I will not need to be buying any potatoes until next harvest, I'm hoping. Pretty sure what I'm getting here, and with the oh Christ, memory blank, honestly, sarpomeras that I've just dug up, and what we've got left from the earlies, and the Mozart over there, and then the other ones that I planted late, and plus I've got some Christmas potatoes. Sorry about the wind, guys. planted some Christmas potatoes in here where the peas came out, and I've also got a couple of buckets of Christmas potatoes at home as well. So yeah, tons of potatoes. I'm really happy. Right, I'm going to carry on with this, guys, and I'll catch you in a bit. So these are the tomatoes that I picked from the plot today. Not quite as many as I picked yesterday, but I didn't pick all of them. I just really took off from the affected plants, blight plants. So these I'm going to sit in the greenhouse to ripen up a bit more. There's a few that are already ripe, so I'll just put them in the fridge or something. I found about 2 tomatoes that actually had blight on the actual fruit, so it's not too bad. Yeah, so they'll sit in the greenhouse until they ripen, and then I'll make some sauce out of them. Look what I just made. Oh, let's move that over. They say that these hold £1, is that right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pounds I've done there of it's just a plain tomato sauce, exactly the same as how Vivi does it, which I'm pretty sure everybody watches her channel. So yeah, so they're just cooling, and once they've cooled down, then they will go in the freezer. Happy days. Next thing I'm going to do is chips. Next thing I'm going to do is chips, because I've got, kitchen is a mess, sorry. I've got all those potatoes in there that have been stabbed with a fork, so I've got to sort them out. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Join me on Facebook or Instagram by clicking the links in the description. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.